President Trump walked into the hall filled with America's top military brass. No applause, no cheers, not even a smile, just silence. 800 generals and admirals seated in perfect formation, hands folded, eyes straight ahead. Even when the commander-in-chief tried to lighten the mood with jokes, the silence was deafening. Protocol dictated it. No reaction, no movement. That's how discipline is drilled into the military from day one. Trump spoke of caution, joking about carefully walking down the stairs, but the room remained motionless. Later, Secretary of War Pete Hegseth took the stage. His words sparked immediate controversy. It's exhausting to see overweight soldiers in our formations, and it's unacceptable to see overweight generals in the halls of the Pentagon. His blunt remarks are now drawing fire nationwide. The gathering itself came with a steep price tag, $6 million. Critics slammed the cost. One headline on the Huffington Post read, "Could have been an email." With a possible government shutdown looming, many questioned the timing. Why bring generals from across the globe for this? The event's staging reminded some of the famous opening scene from the movie Patton, with its massive American flag backdrop. Americans love a winner and will not tolerate